Hi guys, it's Matthew again, and today is the 1st of January 2024. Happy new month and happy new year to everyone. We wish you guys a prosperous year ahead, and this is our second strategy for today. Make sure you subscribe to all our channels to watch all the strategies we'll be dropping today, 1st of January 2024. So here we're going to be trading the Volatility 25-1x. We're going to be trading the touch, no touch, and we are on the D Trader interface. So once you log in to your trading account, go to the trades, choose the Volatility 25-1x, then go to the trade type, choose the touch, no touch, go to ticks, choose 8 ticks, then set the barrier offset to plus 10.45, that's plus 10.45. Enter the amount you want to stake. We're going to be trading the touch right here, and we're going to be watching this line movement right here. We're going to be watching the line movement. So once the bar is pushing up, you can see the blue line here is down here, so you can place the trade. So once it's going up like 2-3 steps, we're going to click on touch, watch the circle as well. Note that this move faster because it's 1x, and so it's pushing right down there. Okay, pushing up. So you can see we won that trade here. So you have to make sure it's up 2 steps before you click on touch. Let's place another trade. You can see the circle. If it's going up, you will see, watch the red circle right here. You will see it goes up 2 steps, up, down, up, up, up. Have to wait. Okay, that's 2 steps right there. So you can see we won that trade again. So let's place one more trade. So before we place our last trade, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER board, as a boat right there, the version 8.0, the updated version, January 1st 2024 is out today. We've sent it to all those who have previously purchased the boat. For those who haven't purchased the boat, all you have to do is to visit binary touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng. that's www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng. And don't forget, you can see the payment options here. PayPal has been integrated, perfect money, debit card, web money, Bitcoin, Ethereum, bank transfer, and other payment options. For the PIPSREAPER boot as well, the PIPSREAPER boot has been updated today, 1st of January 2024, and we've also sent the update to all those who have previously purchased the boats. For those who haven't purchased the boat, all you have to do is to visit binary PIPSREAPER.ctytechnologies.com.ng to order the boats. The payment options as well as debit card, perfect money, PayPal, web money, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and bank transfer. Visit the order page to order the boat. All our boats also comes with a free ebook on how to trade static indices, and you also get these free boats for free. You get the Forex free ebook as well, and you also get the Forex trading boats right here. You get them for free when you order any of our boats. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. So here are the links again. We're going to paste the links in the video description on YouTube. For binary PIPSREAPER board is the link to order the boats. For TOUCHSCALPER board is the link to order the boats. this is a link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account, and here are the links to subscribe to our channels. That's the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. We're going to release strategies today across all the channels, so make sure you subscribe to all our channels. So here is the link to sign up for a free Forex trading account to test the bots we gave out for free, and here is the link to download the ebook for the synthetic indices. So in the link in the ebook you see the link to download the bots we gave out for free, and for the Forex trading ebook there is a link to download it, and here is a link to join our forum to read written tutorials. So let's place one more trade before we proceed to our next strategy. So push it up one step, down, so you have to wait. Okay, that's up 2 steps. So you can see we want that trade there, we want all the trades, so we're going to stop right there. Subscribe to our channel, share our video, click on the thumbs up, and that's it. See you guys next time. Bye.